In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tactics, focus strategies, and brand defense strategies for sponsored product ad types. Once you've created your main strategy, which we launched in the previous video, you can get started. Head down to Advanced Settings and open the dropdown. Here, you'll see two specialized strategy types you can create within your main strategy. We'll start with the focus strategy. If you prefer constant control and manual adjustments, focus strategies are ideal for you. The main purpose of a focus strategy is to concentrate on a specific set of keyword or product targets. When you create a focus strategy, Astra automatically excludes the keyword and product targets from the main strategy and isolates them into this new one. Focus strategies are useful if you want to aggressively push specific keyword or product targets and have them follow a different rule set than your main strategy. This is helpful for boosting organic ranking for certain keywords or targeting specific competitor products more aggressively. As you can see, creating a focus strategy is similar to the strategy creation process you're already familiar with, but with a difference in the targeting section. By clicking on Keywords, you can manually add up to 20 keyword targets you want to focus on. By clicking on Products, you can manually enter up to 250 ASINs to focus on. To actually create your focus strategy, follow the same steps as creating a main strategy. Simply name it, select your algorithm type, select your ASINs, input your targets, and you're good to go. The other specialized strategy type is the brand defense strategy. The purpose of a brand defense strategy is to take up the placements or digital real estate on your own product detail pages so that other competitors can't advertise on your listings. A lot of the times, even if a person sees or clicks into your listings, they may see a competitor ad along the way that captures their interest, deterring them from completing the purchase on your product. By advertising on your own product listings and for your own branded keywords, you can avoid competitor ads from showing, and alternatively, your products are the ones showing up instead. This allows you to funnel customers to other products in your catalog. To create a brand defense strategy, it's the same as creating a focus strategy. Name it, select your algorithm type, select the ASINs you want to advertise, input your targets, and you're good to go. In the keywords section, you can manually add up to 20 of your branded keywords that you want to focus on. And in the products section, you can manually enter up to 250 ASINs from your catalog. Create your brand defense strategy, and you're good to go. Another way to isolate certain keyword and product targets and push them aggressively is through the use of tactics. In this sense, tactics are similar to a focus or brand defense strategy, but where they differ is in their added capability to forbid the algorithm to bid on certain targets. To create a tactic, we'll first select the tactic type. Keyword and product targeting tactics are used to force the algorithm to push certain targets more aggressively. You can choose an existing segment or create a new one. For this demonstration, I'll select a segment I've already created. By pressing Next, my targets list will automatically populate with the keywords saved in my segment. Once saved, the tactic is ready to go. It's important to note that unlike focus and brand defense strategies, a tactic is not a standalone strategy and will follow the same rule set and algorithm as the main strategy. You cannot use a different algorithm type for your tactic. Therefore, focus and brand defense strategies are usually better for aggressively targeting specific groups of keywords or products, especially if you want them to follow a different rule set than your main strategy. However, tactics can be useful if you want to create a top of search only tactic. This means that for the included targets, the algorithm will only bid to achieve placement at the top of page 1. If it cannot achieve this placement, it will not bid at all. To activate the top of search only option for your target, once created, toggle the only top of search placement setting on the right. Another valuable use case for tactics, which I find particularly useful, is blacklisting certain keywords and products. You can use this feature to forbid the algorithm from bidding on specific terms or ASINs. This is done by selecting blacklist keywords or blacklist products, and any items entered in your list will automatically be excluded from the algorithm's bidding. For example, if I have one strategy for a white shoe cleaner product meant for white shoes and another for a suede shoe cleaner product meant for suede, I may want to add a blacklist tactic to the white shoe cleaner to prevent the algorithm from bidding on anything related to suede, because I know it doesn't clean suede. Similarly, I would create a blacklist tactic for the suede shoe cleaner to forbid it from bidding on anything related to white shoes, because it doesn't clean white shoes. The point here is to blacklist targets you know don't have a chance of converting. Although Astra's AI will pause keywords that have poor conversion on its own, you can save it some time by creating these blacklist strategies in advance. For the best results, I recommend using tactics primarily for blacklisting and top of search, and using focus and brand defense strategies for aggressively pushing your top performers, branded targets, or any other specific targets you want to heavily focus on. In the next video of this module, we'll explore the remaining ad types: sponsored brands, sponsored display, and a bonus promo days feature we've added to facilitate easy adjustments for high traffic shopping holidays.